are baking a chocolate cake, and it can be prepared at home, and chef is going to help us. So let's see what chef is going to teach us. So we're making eggless chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake.
Okay. Butter.
120 gram cocoa powder.
120 gram cocoa powder.
And 300 gram sugar.
300 gram sugar.
200 gram flour.
200 gram flour.
So normal flour, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And I'm using for this choco chips for the textures.
Choco chips, milk also.
So kneading properly and fluffy.
Okay. The dry ingredients in it.
Yes, ma'am. So cocoa powder.
Flour. Baking powder.
Baking powder में कम ही रखें तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Quantity of
chocolate
only for topping.
Topping. This is for topping.
Yes, ma'am. And this thing for melting.
Okay, you will melt it in the microwave.
Yes, ma'am.
This recipe can be used in pressure cooker. Melted chocolate. No?
Yes, ma'am.
The full milk you will put?
जी मैम.
पूरा milk डालेंगे?
जी वो पूरा मिल्क है. रेसिपी का ये है.
हाँ हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. So actually हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा करके मिक्स करना है ताकि इसमें लम्स ना बने.
It is thick.
Not like sauce. Thick.
This batter also we keep in freezer.
Freezer.
For 48 hours.
अच्छा.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
उससे ज़्यादा नहीं रख सकते.
नहीं मैम उससे ज़्यादा नहीं रख सकते because of milk.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
क्योंकि एकदम से पूरा नहीं बेक कर सकते. नॉर्मल माइक्रोवेव है.
हाँ.
तो only 15 सेकंड में उसकी हीट को कम.
So total time?
Total times maximum 1 to 1.5 minutes.
1 to 1.5 minutes.
Hmm. 200 gram, 75 gram normal chocolate whites, and 100 gram milk, and
50 grams honey.
50 gram honey and vanilla essence.
Vanilla essence, okay. Okay.
And melting properly.
And then you, in the microwave?
Yes.
For how long?
Only 30 seconds.
Okay. Mixing the chocolate and
Actually, this chocolate temperature is very low.
okay.
So that's why I'm not putting milk So after this dark chocolate
Melts, then you put the white chocolate. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So dark chocolate first with milk and then white.
Yes.
1 minute, that means.
Yes, ma'am. And keep out and mixing properly.
White chocolate and
Yes, ma'am.
okay. White chocolate melts faster than dark chocolate. Total 1 minute only.
1 minute.
Okay. So you take out after 30 seconds and again you put. After 50 grams of honey, no?
Yes, ma'am.
1 cap of okay.
1
Vanilla.
cap of butter.
Okay. So you'll fill the jars and put it in the
Yes.
fridge.
Any kinds of cherries and
Okay, you can put berries and cherries. So this is called chocolate texture,
chocolate texture, ma'am.
and you can put any berries in it
Yes, ma'am. On top, ma'am.
on top of
After
it
chilling.
after chilling.
Yes, ma'am.
For how much time?
It's taking only 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay. 1 घंटा आपको रखना है. And then you can serve it with berries. So much, chef, for both the recipes. So today we are baking a chocolate fudge cake, and it can be prepared at home, and chef is going to help us.
Chocolate, castor sugar, vanilla essence, flour, whole eggs, and egg yolk. So I have already shared the recipe. This is very easy recipe. Melt the butter and chocolate together in a separate bowl. By the time we can beat the whole eggs and sugar to become a light and fluffy. So we have the mixing bowl here. Otherwise, if you want a hand blender, we can use the hand blender also. We'll mix the butter and chocolate mixture into that. At last, we'll add the flour and we'll mix very gently. We do not over mix the batter. If we over mix the batter, it will become very harder. So to avoid the lump, we just mix the batter with the spatula. Very simple process. Then we'll start.
So here we have taken the butter.
Yeah, we are taking the butter and chocolate for mixing together as a melting.
Okay, so we are going to mix the butter and chocolate. So first we are going to melt the butter. So now you're mixing the chocolate in the melted butter, and now you're putting it again in the microwave to melt it. We're going to keep it to cool down. Chef is now beating the eggs. How many eggs, chef?
4 eggs.
4 eggs. 4 whole eggs. Okay. So 4 whole eggs and 4 egg yolks. Chef is adding 75 grams of sugar into the beaten egg. It's a very foamy and creamy texture, no? So you're folding in the chocolate in the egg and sugar syrup. we're going to bake it at 180 degrees for 4 to 5 minutes.
4 to 5. Baking in a microwave.
In normal microwave.
So for 1 minute, no?
Yes, ma'am. 30 seconds.
30 seconds plus 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
So total is 1 minute.
1 minute.
So it's done.
कितना spongy है, see?
Very spongy. And this is done in microwave. Chocolate fudge cake with vanilla ice cream and hot with cold in oven. And you can see the texture. And here we have hot fudge cake with ice cream. It's fabulous.
मोस्ट रहेगा, मोस्ट लिक्विड
It's very moist. बहुत अच्छा है.